Beverage warmer coffee cup warmer desk auto shut off after 4 hours electric warmer hot coffee plate accessories for tea beverage cocoa milk with 3 temperature settings black. 3 temperature control. Our second generation mug warmer can control the hot drink temperature of your 104 degrees Fahrenheit 40 degrees centigrade 131 degrees Fahrenheit 55 degrees centigrade 149 degrees Fahrenheit 65 degrees centigrade through the touch shift button, and the temperature will on the display. When your hot drink is put on, it will be thermostated according to the temperature you set. You can enjoy the drink you like anytime. Smart, when your touch switch is turned on, the temperature you last used is displayed, and the machine starts heating to the set temperature. After that, keep your hot drink at a constant temperature. If you forget to turn it off, it will automatically turn off after 4 hours. You can also turn it off by touching the on-off button. Safety surface waterproof, made of high-tech materials, fireproof, electric shockproof, waterproof, easy to clean. This coffee cup warmer is suitable for tableware, stainless steel cups, mugs, milk cartons, ceramic cups, glasses, etc. With a thin wall, a flat bottom cup will give the best results. Or use a cup with our chip to make your hot drink better. It has 26W low power dissipation and fast heating. And very energy saving. Economy and environmental protection, AC 110V 26W power supply, like a small LED lamp, can be used for up to 60 hours per kilowatt-hours, very economical. The size is about 5.88 x 4.56 x 0.72. Line length, 1 meter 3.15 diameter heating surface, anti-slip design at the bottom. Friends who like to drink hot drinks can use it at home, in the office, in any place in the cafe. The best gift choice, beautiful and compact design, 3 color choices, wood grain, black and pink. It is a great gift for Valentine, Thanksgiving, Christmas and other special occasions for lovers, fathers, mothers, wives, husbands and all loved ones. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.